Grab this. You go that way. By the time we get this set up, the rain will be done. I'd like a bigger one. Go ahead, go that way. And then you'll see there's Velcro inside here. There. Inside the reinforced. And it goes here. Now,
and how about
pull it
this
apart.
in the second?
Pull it apart. You gotta hold on to one end, okay? Hold on to that corner. Pull it out, sweetie. Pull it out. Okay. Now go to the other corner. Pull it out. Alright. Now, see here? Okay.
I'm going to go up.
We came up too far. Push in.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, no. What we gotta do is go up to this knot. See this?
No.
Yeah, that's where this snaps in. So you gotta bring this up. Would you? You see that? See the middle piece in there?
Alright.
Go ahead. Keep pushing it.
Okay.
Keep pushing.
Yeah.
Hang on, please.
Okay.
Push up.
There's a bottom down.
Yeah, I know. Go ahead.
Very nice.
Okay, there's that one. This is why I want to get a new one. The new ones are way better. Alright. Hang on. Hang on. That's done. Hang on.
Not yet.
No, it's not.
No.
Go ahead. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Now, all you do is grab one on this end. Then you see this, you would step on this black piece at the bottom.
Okay.
And we'll raise the height of it.
If we watch the video, oh, If we watch the TV, we can put this in there. Right?
Well, yeah, eventually, yeah. We could use it now. Now is when you come in. You pull down on all this shit. Okay, fasten this in place. Okay. So it's at least 10 years old, if not more.
10 years.
Yeah.
And the rain is gone.
Of course it is.
Maybe it's gonna be rain
And
again.
then you're supposed to Velcro these and go with them. Okay? Now you know we have this.
Okay, you will look for it over
I
there.
didn't. I could have swore that I thought you had this. Knew that you had this.
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. We never use
And then all you have to
it.
do is just you grab one side and we lift up,
Oh.
and we can move it inside to that corner. Grab one like this, lift up. Now walk. Nah, no, you walk that way. There you go. Up. Up.
I'm not too.
And there we go.
Why we need
No.
to? Why we need to up like this? If I can
You can grab that too, but in the center it lifts up both.
put
If
your height and
If
mine.
you only lift this one,
Oh.
only this one's being lifted.
Oh. So we need 4
If
people.
I lift in the center, you lift
we
up
need
both.
4 people.
No, we need 2. 2 people that are tall. Sorry that you're short.
I'm
You're just-
sorry.
You're my little woman. That's all
No,
you
I'm
are.
not
my
little.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
You are.
I'm tall.
Really. Really.
Come here.